Hey guys, in this short demo video, I'm going to show you the power of our new revolutionary web-based software that's going to allow you to get hordes of free viral traffic, build a huge responsive buyer list, and turn your everyday activities into profit. Now imagine you could get paid for doing things you already do online every day. I mean, what if you could monetize everything you do online to make commissions and sales without actually selling anything? Well, now you can with Coembed. Coembed is our all-in-one cloud-based software that lets you embed your call to actions, clickable links, share buttons, opt-in forms, annotations, images, and so much more. And you can do this on anybody's viral video, authority video, your own video, and anything else. So real quick, let me just show you a quick example of how easy this all is to set up within just a few minutes. I'm now in the dashboard of Coembed, and here below videos, I can either select existing hot viral videos to use that are trending. Coembed gives me all of that, which I can use right away, or I can just add my own videos in, so there's full flexibility for whatever you want to do. So I'll just go ahead and add my own video in. So all I have to do right here is just get the YouTube URL, and just for the sake of demonstration purposes, I'll use this weight loss as an example for the video. I'll just use this weight loss keynote body example where I can then customize any settings to my liking accordingly. Here I can add any of these powerful call to actions to my video. So if for instance I want to add a text animation to show up in my video, I just put in what I want to be shown here. I've already entered all the info in before for the sake of saving time. So you would just enter in what you want to be displayed. And then I can then, set when I want it to show up and the duration of it, and then I'm done. Pretty dang simple, right? And then the same applies for when adding an incline image to the video. So when I play this, as you can see, it shows up the annotation, and then it shows up the image at the times I've set. And if I was to click on either one, it will then redirect me to the link I set in the settings. So this could be your affiliate link for a particular product you're trying to promote, where if someone buys through that, you then get the commissions for that. So you can also add pop-up images that interrupts any part of the video to grab attention of the viewer and engage them. I've already set the image and link redirect here. So if I go ahead and now play this, as you can see, the pop-up will stop 6 seconds in, and then it will resume my video 5 seconds later. You can also add social sharing buttons to the video to make it automatically go viral and get more viewers than you would have never have before. I simply enter in the time here and the duration I want for it to show in the video, select the platforms I want this shared on, and boom, I'm done. As you can see, the software is fully responsive, and any changes I make on the left, it'll automatically refresh and show a preview of how these changes will look on the video. Now what's even cool, you can build a list of subscribers by being able to add opt-in forms within your video. We're connected with all the major autoresponders out there, such as Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane, ActiveCampaign, and there's just so much more we're adding, along with new updates with the software. So like before, you simply import what exactly you want the opt-in to pause the video and show up at. So for demonstration purposes, I'll just put this as 3 seconds, and then you can then enter in a headline, description, and I'll just connect this up with a list I have in Aweber, which is all synced in. So now when I play the video, it's going to interrupt the video by showing an opt-in form within 3 seconds, basically at the 3-second mark, where I can then start building leads of all the people viewing the video without them having to go onto a website and opt in. I mean, how powerful is that? Now another powerful feature to Coembed is that you can add pre-roll and mid-roll videos to your video. So for example, if I wanted to add a pre-roll video, which is basically like YouTube ads, I'm sure you've seen this before, when you go to see a YouTube video, but then you see an ad video played before the video you wanted to see, that's what a pre-roll video is. You can have a different video play before the actual one starts. And the same applies to a mid-roll video, except that you can set the time when it appears throughout the video. You know, you can then start sharing this video out, embed this onto your page. You know, you can either take the share link and start posting it, or you can copy and paste this embed code into your page, you know, whichever size you want the video to show up as. There's just full flexibility on this. You know, you can choose on the drop down list. Now, going back into the main dashboard, the powerful thing about Coembed is that there is real-time tracking where you can get instant data on impressions, how many people have viewed, you know, the amount of clicks you're getting, the amount of people who have opted in, the conversions on your links you share carrying your call to actions and opt-ins, and just so much analytics right at your fingertips. So now I'm going to show you how you can do this over any web page. Okay, I've shown you how you can do this with videos. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this literally over any website. See, with Coembed you can leverage authority quality content from any website and embed them with some very cool, powerful call to actions to drive hordes of free traffic, build a responsive buyers list, and just profit on complete autopilot. Now imagine legally taking any content on sites such as Mashable, TechCrunch, BuzzSumo, CNN, and other authority sites and monetizing them with all your links without ever having to come up with the content yourself. While we've made this all possible inside of Coembed. So let's say I want to leverage this page from Mashable. See, all I do here is just put the link in here, click on embed, and now I have a range of options on how I can optimize and monetize this even further. So, you know, I could add my links in here, or a call to action button, or an image ad, or an opt-in to start building a list, or even show a video ad. You know, the possibilities are endless with this powerful app. So I'm just going to go with an opt-in so that I can build a list from leveraging this authority page. And then all I have to do is go into branding, put in my name and the site I want to link out to, and then I can choose how I want this to be displayed, either as a bar on top of the page or slider that just slides out. We've even got the modal option, which appears basically as a small pop-up box and uses an overlay to block the background content. And then we have the takeover, which basically displays over the whole page to grab the viewer's full attention before they see the actual content. So I'll just go with the slider and set the place on the bottom left, and then I can put my headline in here on the content section. I've already done this for the sake of saving time. I then add which list in my autoresponder I want these leads added to. Then I have the full flexibility of customizing the background colors, the buttons, and the text to whatever I want, and then boom, we're done. It's as simple as that to add any form of call to action over any page you want. So if I now go view this page, as you can see, the call to action will be displayed over the site, where I can then start building leads from this by leveraging this authority page. You know, when people go onto this page, they're already going to be familiar with what it's about, since it's an authority sort of based content, and then, you know, they're going to most likely opt in because it's relevant to whatever they're reading, right? We also have a domain section where you can set up your own custom domain links instead of links coming off the Coembed domain.